What is up, obscure tech folks? Today, I've got a USB-C docking station from TobenONE. What did Tobin win, you ask? USB-C docking station, apparently. This will run you $169.99 on Amazon, $30 off coupon as of the time of this recording. TobenONE did send this over for the sake of a review. I am going to review it with a Microsoft Surface Go, which has a single USB-C port and a proprietary charging port, and that's it. So, can I take my beloved Microsoft Surface Go, which I am a big fan of this. This is the 8 gig, 128 gigabyte storage version, which I'll link this as well. There's a guy on eBay selling these for $79. And I don't know if you have seen one of my other videos, but the camera, the front-facing camera and the back-facing camera on the Surface Go line is the same camera used in the regular Surfaces, meaning these are pretty darn good for Zoom calls, podcasts, anything you need 1080p video on. This little camera punches well above its weight. So to get a Windows machine for $79 with decent specs, you're not going to be editing videos or playing a ton of games, but 8 gigs and the 128 gigs of storage, plenty good enough for most other tasks. And the size of this alone makes me really like this thing. Plus, it's in really good shape from that seller on eBay, link down below. Let's open the TobenONE, see how well it works as a dock for this, and we'll keep on rolling with this channel. Yeah! All right, so we've got the TobenONE here. I haven't even taken the plastic off of this thing yet, because who's got the time? Not I. Come on, we need that satisfying plastic sound. I can't even open it, man. Oh. Yeah. That sound. Ooh, that sound. Dang, TobenONE. Got us a little bit of documentation from TobenONE. Thank you for purchasing. They sent it to me, but you're welcome. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here, man. We'll take a look at the unit itself in a moment, but we've got some heaviness in this box here. Really haven't had time to know exactly what to expect. Ooh, nice. So first and foremost, we have a power supply, and it is a chunky one. USB-C power supply. TobenONE. It is a 100-watt power supply. Flip-out plug. Also a 100-watt GaN plus charger. And I've got plenty of experience with the GaN stuff, and GaN is it good. Also get a braided and strapped USB-C to C, which I assume is high data capabilities transfer-wise. Now let's check out the unit itself. We've got ourselves a small box. This is got plenty of stuff going on here. We've got a Ethernet port. We have some USB 3.0s, some USB 2.0s, HDMI 1 and 2, a video out for USB-C to C monitor. We've got charging, and then we've got the cable to connect to the host, which would be my Surface Go. The build quality on this is fine. It's mostly metal. The ends are plastic, and the bottom has some rubber feet. It's not overly heavy. I would say that this weighs about 8 ounces. Don't have a scale in here. I would double check. But on the front, we've got an on-off, a power supply of 20 watts, a 10 gigabyte USB-C transfer port. We've got a 3.5 millimeter jack, a 10 gigabyte per second USB-A as opposed to C transfer port, micro and full-size SD. So this does have everything that you really want to get fully connected. Okay, so we've got my tablet here rigged up, ready to go. And I've got the TobenONE ready to hook up. Got the cable ready to go into the side of the device. We're plugged into the power supply as well, and we're going to power this on. We are charging. I'm going to stick an SD card in first. There's our files. Let's charge a phone. Plug into the 20-watt power. Phone. Charging. Let's now go 10 gigabit transfer. Recognize the phone. And let's see how long it takes to transfer a file that's the size of 1.12 gigs. And we're going to take that to our desktop. I'll copy it there. Now this is with a kind of a regular cable. Don't think it's high speed. We're going to switch to one though. That's done after about 15 or 20 seconds. Let's go with a higher speed drive. Gig file. And there we go. There's the speed we're looking for. Boom. Just like that. And that was pretty quick. Let's cook up some external display action. Good to go on the external display. Everything seems to be working as it should. I mean, there's only so many ways you can test one of these things, but every feature, which I listened to some stuff through the headphone port as well, you're going to see some gloss there. It's because I didn't peel the plastic off, but the Ethernet port also worked. I didn't really feel the need to show that on camera. It works. I know a lot of these style devices, like even in smaller formats, can be $50 and only give you a few things, but this would be a pretty good desktop companion in my opinion. The build quality seems just a little bit light. There was a little bit of fan noise in there, but not enough to even adjust my recording. Not enough to throw a noise gate on, nothing like that. So I think overall, for what is currently $139, it's a pretty solid USB hub if you need multiple display ports, which you've got 3 with 2 HDMIs and a USB-C out. Plenty of I/O otherwise. I think this is a pretty solid device. I would recommend it. And that's all I've got on it. Obscure Tech, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.